Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we're going to walk through the steps to troubleshoot why your Gmail might not be receiving emails. We'll cover various solutions that can help you resolve this issue, and by the end of this video, your Gmail should be functioning properly again. Let's get started. First, let's address one of the simplest issues, your internet connection. If your device isn't connected to the internet, Gmail won't be able to receive new emails. To check your internet connection, try opening a different web page, such as Wiki. If the page loads successfully, your internet is working fine. If the web page doesn't load, you'll need to troubleshoot your internet connection before proceeding with the Gmail issue. Once you've ensured that your internet connection is stable, the next step is to refresh your Gmail inbox. This can be done by clicking the refresh icon, usually located at the top of the Gmail interface. Refreshing your inbox can sometimes prompt new emails to appear if they were delayed or stuck. If refreshing your inbox doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check your spam and trash folders. Occasionally, emails can be incorrectly categorized as spam or may be deleted by mistake. To check these folders, click on the More option in the left sidebar of your Gmail interface. From there, open the Spam and Trash folders. Look for any emails you were expecting that might have been mistakenly filtered into these folders. If you find any emails in the Spam folder, you can select them and click the Not Spam button to move them back to your inbox. For emails in the Trash folder, you can move them to your inbox or another folder of your choice. Next, let's check for any filters or blocked addresses that might be preventing certain emails from arriving in your inbox. Filters can automatically redirect, archive, or delete emails based on specific criteria. To review your filters and blocked addresses, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your Gmail interface and select See All Settings. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you'll see a list of any filters you have set up, as well as any blocked email addresses. If you see a filter that could be causing issues, you can delete it by selecting the filter and clicking Delete. Similarly, if you find any blocked addresses that shouldn't be blocked, you can unblock them. Another potential reason for not receiving emails could be due to storage limitations. Gmail offers a certain amount of free storage, which is shared across Google services like Google Drive and Google Photos. If your storage is full, Gmail will not receive new emails until you free up some space. To check your storage usage, scroll down to the bottom of your Gmail page or go to the storage section in your Google account settings. If you are running low on storage, consider deleting old or unnecessary emails, especially those with large attachments, or you can upgrade your storage plan to accommodate more emails. Additionally, it's worth checking if there are any temporary issues with Gmail servers. You can do this by visiting a website like Google's Workspace Status Dashboard, which shows the current status of various Google services, including Gmail. If there's a known outage, you'll need to wait until Google resolves the issue. Finally, if none of these steps work, try accessing Gmail from a different device or browser. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your device or browser. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also sometimes resolve unexpected issues with loading Gmail. That's it for this tutorial on troubleshooting Gmail not receiving emails. Thanks for watching.